Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to find your lost iPhone with another iPhone. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Open Safari browser or internet browser on your iPhone and get into Cognito mode. Now tap on private mode, then tap on continue. Type here lost iPhone in Google search. Here tap on first link if your iPhone, iPad or iPod lost or stolen. Now tap on iCloud.com/find. Under look for your device on map. Now sign into your iCloud account. Here enter password. You can use Apple ID in your case. Now you will reach on this page. Here your iPhone name will appear. Tap on it and it will show your iPhone location. If your lost iPhone is switched off or find my device not working, it will not work for you. So it is the basic way to find your lost iPhone with another iPhone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.